we are going to discussing a multiplication sum. It's a word problem. Okay, so we are going to find the solution for given word problem. So it's a multiplication sum. So the sum is it's a exercise sum. Sum 2. Mr. Sharma bought 5,346 chairs for the auditorium. If each chair cost is 398 rupees, means how much money did Sharma pay to the shopkeeper? So actually the Sharma purchased 5,346 chairs. How much he purchased? 5,346 chairs he purchased. One chair cost is means one chair cost 398 rupees. So now we want to find out how much amount for 5,346 chairs cost. So we know single chair cost. We want to find out the 5,346 chairs cost. So how to find out? We have to multiply this and this. It's a multiplicand. This is the multiplier. We want to find out the product of this sum. Okay. So we know single chair cost. We need to find out the 5,346 chairs cost. So I am going to multiply these two numbers. So multiplicand 5,346, then multiplier 398. So put on line. So now we want to know the multiplication table. So as you know, 8 6 are, first I am going to multiply this number from right to this right number, topmost right. In this second number, topmost right. Okay. So 8 6 are 8 into 6, 6 8s are 48. No? So 48, put 8 here, then keep 4 as a remainder. Okay, 6 8s are 48, then put 8 in this downside of the 6, keep 4 as a remainder. Then again you want to multiply 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. So 6 I put here, then 3 I keep it as a remainder. Okay. Now again I am going to multiply 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Okay. So 27 7 here, remainder 2, keep it. Then now we want to multiply 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. Okay. 40 plus 2, 42. So put 2 here, then 4 outside. Okay. I multiply. I take this first number 8. I multiply this all the numbers. So I got this number. Okay. Now I am going to take this second number. I am going to multiply this all the numbers. Okay. So when you multiply the product, you have to write in one step forward for the first line. Okay. So 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. Then remainder 5. Okay. 9 6 are 54. Then 5 remainder 4 I have written here. Now we want to multiply 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5 41. Okay. So 41. 1 here. Remainder 4. Now you have to multiply 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. Okay. 31. 1 here. 3 remainder. Then now we want to multiply 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45 plus 3, 48. 8 here, 4 outside. Now the second number over. Now we want to take the third number and we have to multiply these all the numbers. Okay. So 3 into 6. And when we have to write the third line, we have to make a new line. It's a third line. and you have to start from one step forward of the second line. Okay, you always write first line, okay, no problem, but second line no, you have to one step forward of the first line, then you have to one more step forward of the second line. Okay, so 6 3s are 18. 18 no, you don't write here, write one step forward of the second line. So 6 3s are 18. 8 here, remainder 1. Now 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 3, remainder 1. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, we have to write 0 here, remainder 1. So 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 here, remainder 1 outside. So now we want to add these numbers, all the product. So 8 as it is, 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, then 0, remainder 1. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17. So 17 7, remainder 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. Okay, so 3 6 7. Okay, now 4 plus 8 12, then remainder 1. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, then remainder 1 here 2. So finally, how much Mr. Sharma want to pay? Mr. Sharma pay to shopkeeper. How much he paid? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 21 lakhs, 27,708 rupees. So 21 lakhs, 27,780 rupees he paid. Okay.